Now, one of the best features of PDF Blueprint is the organized drop-down, which contains combined documents, split document, extract pages, and then of course delete pages. We will try one by one so we can understand how these features work. Let's just try the combined documents. But first of all, you have to install PDF Blueprint. It's completely free. You can go ahead and download it from the link given below in the video description. It's just to double click on the PDF Blueprint icon. Now, you have to click on the organized drop-down and then of course the combined documents. Now a dialog box appeared, the combined documents. I'm going to click on that plus sign and then of course we can just specify the documents which we want to combine. I'll select all these documents for the same example and then of course I'm going to click on the open. As you can see, all these documents are being opened in the same dialog box. We can of course remove by clicking these cross and then of course we can specify the range of documents if one document has multiple pages. Like you can see in the rooms, we have 3 pages. So I'm going to specify 1 to 2. It means the first 2 pages will be added in the same combination. Now you can also click on the clear all if you want. And of course you can change the path by clicking these 3 dots. I want that on the desktop and of course the combined document is going to be the name of the file. And I'm going to click on the save. And then of course I'm happy with the checkbox, because I want to open the file after combination. When you're done, you can click on the combine. As you can see, all these documents are being combined. All those drawings, or you can say pages, are being combined functionality, and that's of course split document. I'm gonna click on this, but before we have to open one file. You can say the combined document, and you can see this is the previously combined document. Now I'm gonna click on the organized drop down, and then of course split document. A dialog box appeared. We have multiple options. You can say the range and the split mode and of course the save path. You can split all the pages or you can even give it a range. Like this time, let me just have 1 to 5 pages. In the split mode, I want 1 page per new document. And of course, the save path by default is the desktop. I'm going to click on the split. And then of course, that's the result. Okay, these are 5, you can say pages or maybe documents. You can open one by one to confirm them. That's amazing. Now next, let me just try the extract pages. We can extract some pages from a combined document. Or you can say when you have multiple pages in one document or in one PDF document, you can of course extract specific pages from there. Maybe you have a book, okay, and you need the first 10 pages or maybe from 10 to 20 pages. Of course you can do that. You can split or extract those pages. What you have to do is just to click on the extract pages, and then of course now you have to specify the range. In the page ranges, you can also just extract one single page, but this time I'm going to specify the range is 1,3. It means I want the page which is number 1 and of course 3 and then page number 5, and the save path is going to be the same. I'm going to click on the extract, and of course that's done. As you can see, these are the 3 pages which have been extracted. You can view them one by one if you want. And finally, let's try the delete pages. But first of all, I'm gonna open the combined document, which contains of course 9 pages. And let me just say, if I need to remove or delete the last page, you can say this subdivision. Then of course I can click on the organize drop down and then the delete pages. Now what you have to do is just to specify that page. I want to delete one page, so I'm happy with the single page, and that's of course the page number 9. You can even provide the range of pages. I'm happy with the page 9, so I'm going to click on the delete. And of course there's a message. I'm happy with that, so I'm going to click on the OK. You can see that subdivision is been removed, or you can say deleted. So now we have 8 pages, and that's it. This is how we can use the organized drop down of PDF Blueprint. See you in the next video.